I invite you to sit or lay in a comfortable position and just breathe. I invite you to close your eyes and connect with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your lips to part as you exhale through your mouth. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. I invite you to continue this circle breathing as I guide you through your conscious creation meditation. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice how your mind begins to soften and relax. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice how your body begins to soften and relax. Allow your mind to focus on how each breath enters and leaves the body. Allow your body to relax deeper and deeper, embracing every suggestion. In this moment, visualize a white light coming through the center of your body, all the way from your head down through your feet and into the center of the earth. Feel yourself grounded, safe, and secure. Visualize yourself creating what brings you joy. Whatever that is, visualize yourself doing whatever brings you joy and makes you smile. What ignites your creativity? Visualize yourself getting lost in this activity. Feel yourself being free to create and express whatever you need and want to create and express. Your creativity will flourish when you feel free. Get lost in this reality of your full expression. Get lost in this reality of doing exactly what you love to do. You might have some thoughts of doubt or fear come in, and slowly let them float away. Think about what would you do if there was no resistance, no fear, no doubt, and you had all of the resources that you need, all of the support that you need. Visualize everything that you need showing up at the right place, at the right time. Visualize yourself fully accepting, even though you might have doubted before. Visualize yourself smiling at the fact that what you needed came right on time. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to continue to create from this place of safety and security. How does it make you feel to create freely? To leave all of the doubts, frustrations, and fears behind and move forward knowing that the world will be blessed because you are creating and sharing and being your authentic self. What does it look like to stand fully in your power, in who you truly are, who you know that you are? Feel the feelings through every cell of your body. Allow your body to be coated in this confidence, in this connection, in this reality of who you truly are. Allow yourself to create from this space. Now that you are aware that you have everything that you need, and everything that you need will be supplied at the right place and the right time. As you move forward in faith and trust and confidence, allow yourself to be at peace. To be at peace with time, to be at peace with the journey, no matter how long it takes. In this moment, commit to yourself. Commit to your creation. Commit to knowing without a shadow of a doubt that it will be. Every day, visualize your conscious creation. Every day, allow yourself to express. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Start to journal any divine downloads or insights that came through. Know that you are a conscious creator and you are love.